3 more bonuses. A lot of guns there. Oh my god, my neighbor just got like a big train coming out. That's what guarantees the bonus, it looks like. We'll go check it out in a moment. We've got something going on. Wait, we got a train coming at us too. There we go, there's the 6. Choo-choo. So they are in this bonus like that, whereas we're, say, like that. That's for the bonus one, and we're in this version, which is a little differently weird. It's crazy, with all these trains and stuff going on. Golden Gate! Oh my god, a blue train is coming at me.